Hello, all my fantastic and genius English learners. Welcome back to my channel, Sapna Raghuvanshi. And hope, guys, you must be doing great with your English speaking practice on right track. So, with this beautiful hope, let's get into the video today. And today, guys, I'm here to share something about my feeling. Yes, guys, today actually I'm feeling very much happy, excited, enthusiastic, and ardent. Do you know why? Because today it was my first day that I have stitched this type of suit, like this Naira cut suit, and I have stitched this suit today itself. Yesterday I just started, but due to some reason I couldn't complete the stitching because my needle, needle of my machine, stitching machine, it has been broken by getting some stone like this small stone. So due to this stone, it has been broken. That's why I had to stop my stitching yesterday. So today I just bought new needle and then again started my stitching, and finally I have finished. So I thought, okay, let's share something about my stitching, my this suit, my feeling in English with you, because we all are here to share our feeling, opinion, to exchange, we can say. So if we are able to exchange each and everything, whatever is just going on, whatever is happening in our real life, if we are able to share all those things with anyone randomly and easily, effortlessly, so it means that we are speaking flawless English without flustering, without fumbling. Okay, so this is the thing actually, guys, I wanted to share. So don't consider it as funny thing, because I have done literally something great today, fantastic today. Because before stitching this suit, I was just taking little bit tension. What if, what if my suit will not look good, and in this way also I will spoil my this beautiful sari. So I was thinking something like this, but finally I thought, no, I have to take a risk, I have to, because this as I mentioned, it was my first day that I was going to try this Naira cut suit very first day, because before it I have never stitched. I have stitched lots of suit, lots of blouse, all the things, but I have never ever tried this Naira cut suit. Okay, so finally, after trying this suit, after finishing my stitching, when I found it, okay, it's looking awesome, and it's also looking good on me. So I felt happy and excited, like, okay, my just hard work paid me off. It didn't go in vain, मतलब व्यर्थ नहीं गया, अच्छा खासा बन गया सूट, तो इसलिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. So, my dear and lovely audience, in short, I want to say only one thing here, that if you want to speak English situationally something, and if you want to think in English and you are not getting any point, so you are not getting partner, you are thinking about to talk to any partner, to get partner. So I want to tell here only one thing, that your real life is your best partner, and the thing that is happening on daily basis with you means daily something new and something exciting, something is just happening on daily basis. It's not the same, always it is changing. So if we are able to narrate the things that is happening around us in our daily life, and our feeling, our ups and downs in our life, if we are able to narrate all those things in English, so this is great thing to speak English. Okay, so we can just make our daily life just like our partner in English. Just narrate all the things that is going on in your life, from morning till evening, before hitting the sick, because most of the eloquent English speaker are also suggesting the same thing. Why I'm telling this? Because I don't consider myself as an eloquent speaker. Eloquent as an eloquent in English, I can say. But yes, I have also heard from lots of uh, people, lots of efficient English speaker, that we have to narrate all the things that has already happened with us from morning till evening before hitting the sick. So you have to also do the same thing. And before stopping my video, I would like to share one thing also here. So this is a little bit funny, but it's related to English, that's why I am gonna share. Okay guys, actually, in my initial day, yesterday itself I recalled this thing, so I decided to share with you. Sometime, what I was doing while I was searching any good content English video, and something to watch, to listen in English. So sometime most of the people are there who are just suggesting about good and fantastic channels, like if you literally you are beginner and you want to enhance, polish your English, so you have to follow this channel, that channel and all. And most of the people were just suggesting English channel, okay, like foreign channel. So I was just always following them. I was just searching all the time the channel name, and I was watching something, and then sometime I found, okay, some channels are good, was good to understand, but some channels were not like my cup of tea type something. So I just sometimes felt that I was just wasting my time only in searching. So when I got the perfect channel to enhance my English and to learn new words, new things, and already I have mentioned the channel name, like wow, its name, World of Wisdom channel. So that channel I started following to learn motivational story. I was learning motivational story from there, and then I was narrating. I was only learning the motivational story from there, but while I was narrating the story, so I was just narrating the story completely in my word, in my sentence structure, like this. So in this way, I have also just I can say I have also learned and achieved lots of things in English. So my dear and lovely audience, I want to say this thing to you. Don't scroll only lots of videos related to English. Just try to find your favorite channel as soon as possible. And if you find, so just watch those person and those video, those channel. Don't waste your time only in searching. In that time, you can do another practice, like reading practice, because reading is something that is always providing you good fluency and a good and a new fancy vocab, lots of things it is gonna provide you. So I want to say only one thing, that in that time you can do something related to your English that can literally help you to improve your English, okay, rather than to waste your time in searching only lots of video, lots of channel. So I was doing these things in my initial day, but when I realized, when I was getting this type of suggestion from people, like you should follow this foreign channel, but when I was going to watch that video, so I was just sometimes finding myself unable to understand them easily, just because sometimes they were speaking fast and in different action. But yes, nowadays I'm able to understand anyone in English. It doesn't matter that I'm not able to speak like them so fluently, but yes, I am able to understand each and everyone, whether someone is speaking fast English, slow English, means I can understand. Okay, so my dear and lovely audience, let me say bye, and I hope that you will also follow the things that I mentioned in this video. And please let me know in my comment box, like how did you find my this Naira cut suit, and how did you find my stitching, how did you find my stitching, मतलब आपको मेरी stitching कैसी लगी, मेरा सूट कैसा लगा. So please my dear friends, let me know. Bye bye, take care.